We friends though. We friends though. Let that demystify for a bit while I explain what's happening. So today, so this week we took 2 trades and we lost 2 trades. Let's see the logistics, the numbers. We are down 1%. When were we where when we were? We were up 1% last week. So we're down 1%. Let's get straight into it, no further ado. So on Wednesday and on Thursday I took a trade. Monday there was no good trade. Let's just see the week of news that we had. From here to from Monday to Friday. Monday there was no news. Tuesday there was no news. Wednesday there was a lot of news, man. It was bullish news. So if I had any bias besides bullish, I should not have taken the trade. Let's add that into the notes, because that's what we hear. That's what we're doing every day. I added a little bit to the notes. Liquidity sweep. If news is bullish, bearish bias is invalidated. You don't know how news affects the market. That could be a reason we lost, or what I think it was, I believe I took a short here. Yeah. Let me look again. How do you know if you shorted or longed? Closed short. Great. So wait, it was these 2 trades. This one was an over risk. I tried to risk 1%, but then flipping, my phone's busted. So when I click sell, it does that, bro. It used to ask me like confirmation and stuff. I might have to look in settings for that. But I saw over here highs and lows getting formed, right? High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. And I thought, oh, this is the high, low. But I was wrong. I was trading against the 4-hour trend, because if you look closely, we have a low, we have a high. This is the low. Let's just say this is the high, low, high, low, high. This is the low. We could have been like, and I was trading off of this right here. This is a cool thing. This 4-hour fair value gap plus this 4-hour order block, but I should have seen already been tapped into. But basically I was against the 4-hour trend because it was bullish. High, low, high, low, high, high, low, high, lower low. We have a lower low, a higher high. This is the higher low, higher high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. So long. Okay, so we were wrong with the 4-hour. Let's just go straight into the trade. That was one of many mistakes that I had made. Eish. Now which one is this? On Wednesday right here. As usual, we mark out what I think are the sessions. Maybe I'll change them if I'm going to do some back testing with ICT, because I did receive a comment, someone fishy boy, something, you weren't too happy about my sessions, so I think bro said I was bragging about a win, flexing a win. I was definitely not flexing a win. Highs interacted with 5-minute break of structure, the downside. Oof, my posture. Oh my jetlets. Right? So I was going to enter off of this 5-minute bullish fair value gap to get invalidated. But we see a break of structure right here. I shorted somewhere on this candle, and I shorted a little bit more somewhere on this candle, with stops like, I think above these highs right here, and take profits. But the mistake I made was I was using a fake confluence. I said, wow, look at this, 5-minute equilibrium was tapped. Seriously, the candle hadn't even closed yet. But I didn't have a 5-minute confluence, which was, boom, step in our trading plan. All of these steps should be in red because they're all important. I have to follow every single step to take a trade. So we took a loss there. I tried to risk 1.5 or something %, but it risked more. Yeah. The next trade we took, let's go back to the 4-hour. What was our bias? So bullish, right? Pretty bullish. I was like, I don't know what I was like. I don't know why I was looking for another short, because I was a bozo trader. But where am I? The next trade, I think, shucks man, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Right here, this is a clear high, high, low, high, higher, low. So why would you ever short that? That's a bad decision on my part. Thursday I think was no news. Where's Thursday? Wednesday, Thursday. This was like one of the shortest trades ever. Look at this. Let's mark out those sessions and got that 9 and we got 11 p.m. We got our highs right here and our lows all the way down here. So highs were interacted with right on this candle as the session opened. And what do you expect in sessions? You expect open, fake out in the direction that it's not going to be, and then rally in the opposite direction. So what do we see here? Open, hit our confluences, right? Hit this time I waited for all confluences and I simply lost because of bias. Boom, up. I thought that move must have been the fake out, right? No. Boom, boom. Now I know, I guess, institutions won't small fake out. I'm not trying to explain to you guys. I'm trying to figure trading out for myself, and this YouTube channel is my personal journey. So if you guys don't understand things, I'm sorry. You can talk to me. Leave me a comment if you want. I guess this institutional fake out was not as big as I would have liked it to be. Going forward, that's the mindset that I'm going to adopt, but not really. Just as long as I get the bias right and stick to the strategy, that's all that really matters. So I faked out, I see red, break structure to the downside on this candle. after highs interacted with. Look, this looks like a strong rejection of this high, but we were in a 4-hour uptrend. So that was the problem. I waited, no fair value gap here, fair value gap here, gets hit here, enters quite a bearish candle, and then straight boom right here. So the lows are right here, so I was like, oh, it's a late entry. I'm gonna make it a little bit tighter. I entered, say, let's say here. Now let's say like here. Always put in not our favor. Stop loss down here, take profit here. I'm pretty sure this was a negative risk to reward profile. But yeah, those are the 2 trades we lost. I added to the notes, so I want to read over those one more time. And the entry rules. Another long video for you guys because it's day. What day is it? A day what? A day like what? What day is it, man? I don't know what the day is. It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then. Look at my nice asymmetrical face. How long has this been? 11 minutes. Let's spend like 5 more minutes or 10 more minutes messing around. Closing this door. Oh, getting a back support. Oh yes. Okay. Can you see my little toes? Anyways, it's time to lock in. So, let's start with our trading rules. Entry rules: do not trade a session with high impact news. So we put it here. First, we check the rules, and then we look at news, and then we look at the notes, and then we can go on the chart, and I have to claim my rewards on flip. Oh, the 7th of September. Okay, that's in a bit. Do not trade a session with high impact news, exception trading London session with new USD news in the afternoon, but before news, you always have to set your stop loss to break even. Find the 4-hour trend for daily bias. That's very important, guys. Key point of my trading plan. Bias, if you have the right bias, does your entry like even matter? Does the entry even matter? Does your entry even matter if you have the right trading thesis and the right directional premise? That's what I'm wondering, guys. I must say,